wishing us Happy New Year. And wish you, do your own.
Happy New Year!
Yes.
I wish you guys long life and prosperity.
Oh, this is great. This is great. So, can you hear now? Try and I catch you now.
First of all, I will seek for good health. Like we have been doing it many years now, so I will still want it this year.
Okay, good health.
Yes.
Can you hear now? Try and I catch you.
Padoya.
Eh?
Padoya, like ego.
Ego. Did you get your game, man? Okay, okay, game out to see you. Here now, here now, try and catch you this year. More blessings, and what again? More blessings. Okay. Yes. Never like here now, try and catch you this year.
Hey, I'm my yoke. I got new. I need to get your money. The village, I can't do one. You now, Jesus.
He said,
everywhere. Your money in Nigeria. Okay, so Nigeria, I'm happy to say Nigeria. Come, Mama.
Okay. He said, the different natural catching this year. Can you natural catching this year?
Ada miru. For the man. I was a miru more and more. 25. Organization in the Jesus.
He said, now you're natural catching this year.
Protections, long life. I'm so happy to be alive in 2025. This year we will see the end of this year.
Yes,
this year we will not see our end in Jesus'